Decluttering your home as a senior isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating a space that better suits your lifestyle, lightens your mental load, and gives you more room to enjoy life. If you want to simplify your space and make it more functional, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the top things you might no longer need in your home. And remember, hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your best life in your golden years. Number 1. Bulk items and stockpiles. As we age, our shopping habits change. What once made sense, like stockpiling pantry items or bulk paper towels, might no longer be necessary. Large quantities of items that you no longer need can take up valuable space and become a hassle to manage. Instead, consider keeping only the essentials for the next few weeks. If you're worried about running out of supplies, create a simple shopping list and explore grocery delivery apps. Many seniors find these services convenient and helpful. Number 2. Excessive kitchen gadgets. Take a look at your kitchen. Do you still have gadgets you bought years ago that you've never used? If it's gathering dust, it's not earning its place. Clear your kitchen counter of unnecessary tools and keep only the essentials, like a sharp knife and a sturdy cutting board. If you have appliances or specialty items you no longer need, consider donating them. If you're craving waffles, your local cafe can probably make them better than any appliance at home. Number 3. Old technology. How many old devices are cluttering your drawers? Outdated smartphones, tangled cords, or computers that haven't been turned on in years? These items can not only take up space, but also pose a safety risk. Recycle or donate working technology and get rid of the rest. Keep a few universal chargers and safely dispose of the outdated devices. Number 4. Unnecessary furniture. Are there oversized dining tables or chairs you no longer use? Worn-out recliners or furniture that's become more of a memory than a functional piece can make your home feel cramped and cluttered. Consider keeping only the furniture that you truly use and that supports your lifestyle. If you have sentimental pieces, take a photo or pass them on to family. Number 5. Clothing that doesn't suit your lifestyle. Take a look at your wardrobe. Are there clothes you haven't worn in years, like formal outfits or shoes that are no longer comfortable? Letting go of items that no longer fit your lifestyle can free up closet space and reduce clutter. Keep only what you wear regularly and what makes you feel good. Consider donating gently used items to someone who can truly benefit from them. Number 6. Duplicate items. How many sets of dishes or extra sets of bedding do you really need? Often we collect duplicates of items, thinking we'll use them, but they just sit in storage. Clear out any excess so you can make your home more organized. Keep only the items you use regularly and donate or sell the rest. Number 7. Old hobby supplies. If you've moved on from a particular hobby, it's time to let go of supplies you'll never use again. Holding on to unused items from past interests can create unnecessary guilt or clutter. Instead, focus on hobbies that you actively engage with. Donate the rest to someone who will put it to good use. Number 8. Knickknacks and decorative items. Decorative items and knickknacks can quickly overwhelm your home and make it feel crowded. If your shelves are filled with figurines or souvenirs, you might want to reassess what truly brings you joy. Select a few meaningful items to display and donate, or store the rest to create a calmer and more peaceful home. Number 9. Sentimental items with no place. It's tough, but sometimes it's necessary to let go of sentimental items that no longer serve a purpose. Consider digitizing photos or keepsakes so you can preserve memories without cluttering up your space. You can also gift these items to family members who might cherish them or store them in a more organized way. Number 10. Expired medications and toiletries medicine cabinets can quickly become cluttered with expired prescriptions and half-used bottles. Not only do they waste space, but expired medications can be unsafe. Regularly check your medication and dispose of anything that's out of date at a pharmacy. Keep your essentials streamlined and organized. Number 11. Unused gardening tools and supplies. If you're no longer actively gardening, it's time to part with any tools or supplies that are just collecting dust. If they're still in good condition, consider donating them to someone who will use them. This can free up valuable space for hobbies you're currently enjoying. Number 12, outdated books and magazines. Bookshelves filled with books you've already read or magazines you never look at again can take up space and make your home feel cluttered. Donate the ones you no longer need and keep only the ones you truly love and want to reread. Consider donating them to a library or local community center. Number 13, unnecessary bathroom accessories. Extra towels, decorative bath mats, or items you don't use often can crowd your bathroom and make it harder to clean. Simplify your bathroom by keeping only the essentials. Donate any excess or repurpose items that you no longer need. Number 14, unused sports equipment. Do you have old sports equipment like tennis rackets, golf clubs, or exercise machines gathering dust? If you're not using them, they're just taking up space. Consider donating or selling these items to someone who will use them and focus on equipment that supports your current activities. Number 15, holiday decorations you don't use. If you're no longer celebrating certain holidays or using specific decorations, it's time to let them go. Storing large boxes of unused items takes up unnecessary space. Keep only the decorations you truly love and use, and donate the rest to a thrift store or community group. Decluttering isn't about losing things. It's about creating space for what truly matters. By letting go of things that no longer serve you, you make room for joy, relaxation, and functionality in your home. Take it one step at a time and remember, this is your space, your journey, and your life. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it useful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to live your best life in your golden years. Thanks for watching.